Hello friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn your folders into space inside your Arc browser. So once you're inside your Arc browser, if you have any folders created, you can easily turn them into a space. And space are basically these different pane or these different pages here at the bottom that you can switch between, and these are what are called spaces, right? So in order to turn a folder into a space, you want to simply right click on that folder and you will see the option that says turn the name of the folder into a space. Now, as you can see here, this folder that I have here, it's called YouTube videos, and I can simply right click and turn YouTube videos into space. So just go ahead and click on that and it will transform it into a space. And as you can see here, I'm now into that space. And if you look towards the top left, you can see the name of the space is now called YouTube videos. And on top of that, you can see here that if I hover over the space on the lower left hand side, you can see that it is also called YouTube videos. Also, I want to mention that once you transform a folder into a space, that folder will be lost. So as you can see, this is the new space, but if I go back to my original space, I no longer have that folder because you turn it into a space. So please be mindful that if you want to transform folders into spaces, then you will not be able to have that folder anymore, but it will be turned into a space and then that folder will be removed. But this is how you can easily go ahead, guys, and turn your folders into space in your Arc browser. Hope you found this useful, and if you do, give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question, and on top of that, I really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button, guys. And if you'd like to learn more about the Arc browser, go ahead and check out the playlist on my channel. Towards the end of this video, you can find a lot of videos teaching you how to use the Arc browser. So if you'd like to master the Arc browser, you want to go ahead and subscribe to the channel and also check out our playlist. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.